Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we are eating brown stew chicken bok.
Yes, come on, you already know why. Y'all know that already. Chicken, but the back of the chicken.
Yes, usually it's curry.
Yes, usually curried. But she brown stew it today, you know?
Yes.
All right.
You can do anything.
Anything you want.
So we have some food, aka dumpling, banana, and a piece of white yam. Okay, I couldn't find no yellow yam, so we use white yam. White yam, I like white yam because it's soft. But that yellow yam is my favorite.
Nice. Ooh, I don't need no grace today, innit? No grace today. This one already.
It got pepper?
Yeah, man.
I put pepper in afterwards because when I cooked it, and then I went ahead and I tasted, I was like, oh, there's no pepper. And I add the pepper.
I like my see. This is the white yam. I don't know if you can see, but it's supposed to be white. Yeah, there you go.
Oh, this is good.
I taste it already. I eat it.
Yo, nothing like home cooked food.
Yes. We are back.
I'm sorry, I can't be eating outside food all the time. No sir, no sir, Bob.
That's why we had the virus, you know. Outside food.
For real. And shit about ourselves.
Oh,
This is
put
good.
all over my thing into my food, man. Keep it to your side.
My shirt in your food?
Hey, put too much food on your side. Family, she got 3 dumplings. Why? And she's gonna eat 1.
Cause they know you're gonna eat my food, that's why.
No, I don't eat your food. Don't do that. How many dumplings you gave me?
4. Usually get 6.
Family, hold on, let me eat some first. Hold on before I give y'all. We missed the home cooking. Let me go.
Delicious.
Excellent.
Excellent. Alright, I didn't get it from Bravo, I got it from Publix. Publix do sell chicken bok. Yes they do.
Yes, they do, and look how it looks. I'm gonna give you a.
They coming up.
Hold on. This one got meat on it too. Alright. And it's brown stew. So, here you go. You know what I mean? Here. Turn another turn.
Bravo one has a lot more meat, but Publix is doing this thing. I think it's getting better. Before they used to clean it too much. And I don't mind the chicken bok because it's
what is?
your one that sorry.
One napkin?
Is it mine?
I think it's yours. Napkin?
Oh, I have one. I think it's mine. Let me know if that was mine. If it's not mine, too late.
Family. How y'all doing? Family, we miss not cooking. Oh my God.
Let me tell you something. I know that you guys are used to
me nice and right.
nice, right? Curry chicken bok. Brown stew that sucker. Tastes so good, but what I did was I fried it first.
Gotta have to.
And then
You have to. That's the proper way. That's the proper way. We ain't doing a
sauteed
restaurant
it down.
style where they just throw it in the pot and just cook it down.
yeah.
We do the real way, authentic way. Fried.
Oh, enough gravy too. Now this is like I have a lot of gravy, and then you mash the white yam and the banana. Man,
You did good on these dumplings, man. Nice. Wow. Family.
you can put my hair back, y'all. I have my hair out today, guys.
Feeling yourself.
Yes.
Wow. I didn't think no grace in this one today. Wow.
But I don't taste any pepper.
Well, I guess you give me the pepper side.
Are you getting where you can't tolerate pepper?
You can never stop. There's pepper in it. If I ain't put no pepper in it, you know there's pepper in it.
Oh, okay. I don't taste
Yeah,
it.
I know. If I put no grease to win the race, no, you're fucking right.
Grace to win the race didn't make no appearance today.
None. You haven't made an appearance in a while.
Because yesterday we had to jerk Rasta pasta.
No, it's not even that. Grace don't see me. You know what I'm saying? Grace don't see me.
They ignore you. One thing I love to do when I'm making curry and even brown stew chicken is put ginger in there.
Family, I was trying to keep a piece of the meat today and go pick a buck up on the ginger.
I was setting up. And I walked by the kitchen. And you know when you walk by the kitchen, you do one of these. That's what I did. Which was in the pot.
You know, family, you ever drink something and it feel like you ain't drink, like you're living on a desert?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
That to me before.
It went right down there like, damn.
Like you could feel it going down your stomach.
Cold.
Yeah.
Wow. This is good. This chicken back got a lot of meat on it. Usually, family, the chicken back don't have no meat on it.
What I like to do too.
You did this good.
Come on, good baby.
Yes.
When I make chicken back
Excellent.
or anything I cook, I like to. I'm sorry, it's good. I like to let it sit on the stove for like 15 minutes. Just let it sit and relax.
Soaking.
Just like how you do with a nice piece of steak. Same thing.
Hold your thought.
Yeah. Okay.
I got cheese up.
I wasn't ready for that one today.
You're ready? Okay. Alright, no, you're not
But
ready.
I got it though.
Yeah, she ain't ready for that one today. Sorry, family. I'll try to sneak in one.
I wasn't prepared.
She ain't prepared for that one today.
I gotta get it. That's probably gonna be like a 5-part, my youth. Something long man.
5 point.
And we're still going through it.
Yep.
But it's better.
I'll try, family.
Hold up. Make sure.
Right, make sure you turn it.
Oh, shiggity. So my cup.
Make sure you show that cup. Family, after that, just drinking out of the next cup again. Because I want more ice. What? Back to regular program tomorrow.
That's alright. Sometimes you gotta switch it up.
This is good.
Listen.
He must my ground and I'm eating. God damn.
That's the first thing I ate all day. Usually, I would have like some fruits or a yogurt. Today, while Richie was at work, I was cleaning up the house. You know, when you're doing remodeling, the house, your house or your area gets really dirty. So, that's what I was doing. Me and Vincent. To me, was in a room knocked out. But she's enjoying her summer. I said, girl, you better get your little butt up.
Family. I never see a little girl that loves school like that. Let me tell you something. Quick story time. When I was growing up in our school days and going to school, when it's time to come down for graduation or summertime, a month before I stopped going to school.
What?
Once they say summertime coming and graduation,
a month, honey?
I stop a month before. Yes, a month before. I'm not going to no school from I hear summer coming. And then I have like a week left or 2 weeks. Nah, I ain't going to school, family. This little girl right here. Family, you know my duties, I already told you, to get up in the morning, take her to bus in the morning time. Right? So this little girl graduated. Right, family? Graduated. Yes, I said graduated. And still going to school. Who does that?
Tamia.
She didn't miss, she went to school every single day till the last day of school. I said, Mama, why are you going to school for? School is done, you graduating. Oh, I want to go to school. I just do it. Oh my God. One morning I was sleeping. I said, yeah, she ain't going to school. Heard my phone ring. Cause she wake me up in the morning time. You know what I'm saying? Cause it's a long walk to our side. So she wake me up and call me. I said, you going to school? Yes, Daddy, I'm going to school. I said, why? School is done. I had to go drop her at the bus stop.
Cause he makes her breakfast in the morning for her. So she tells him what she wants to eat for breakfast. Yeah. So he thinking, oh, I'm gonna be laid out today.
School time.
School time.
Now she graduated. That's crazy. That's how you know. Once your kid love it, let them keep going. Don't. Not me though. 2 weeks before 3 even done got school, huh? Stop school long time.
A month time.
Month.
That's too soon. That's too long. I mean.
I don't want to hear summer coming. But this is good. Yeah. It's a lot of bone. That's why it's back to the chicken. We love it, yo. You see that? You give me dumpling?
Hey. Oh no, I'm lying. I'm gonna say you haven't stole my food in a while, but
I haven't. I haven't stole your food in a while. Who tell you I want any more dumpling?
because when you cook food,
Who tell you I want any more dumpling?
your belly when it was growling.
I bet it ground.
I don't know. What kind of belly you have? Your belly growling, eating food.
That's true. That ever happened to you out while you're hungry?
That's a weird belly.
Yeah, eating and your belly still growling on because.
I'm telling you, you see a difference when we cook our food.
Yep.
We eat it off.
Can't do them Yankee food tomorrow.
Yeah, man. I mean, if you don't know how to cook, and I get that. But trust me. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I don't know how you do it.
Some of y'all is guessing, y'all keep guessing, is guessing. And some of y'all guess is correct.
Yeah?
It's coming. I'm not gonna say it.
Yeah, because we should chat too much, man. We love to let the cat out of the bag.
I gotta let them know. I gotta keep them on board. You know what I'm saying?
And then, to let them know that we didn't forget.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I feel you.
I don't keep them posted, you know?
Yeah.
So when we drop it, things sell out. You see
It's
me?
hot.
Okay.
Makes sense.
Yes, you gotta do like that. You gotta keep them, you know?
You're like a person who advertises.
Yep, I'm a good advertiser. If you wanna do no advertising, shout out, holla at me. Cause I'm good, you know. I love to talk. Yeah. You know?
Honey, what happened to the dumpling I just gave you? Honey, I just gave you a dumpling. My God, you need to go talk to somebody about this.
Yeah, stop taking the food.
They took it? You guys took it?
That one right here.
Listen, again, I know you're trying to figure out what's the fun in eating bone. Trust me, okay? Even the chicken bok and some nice chicken soup. Oh my God.
Yeah, you know what? They could even fry it.
Oh. Or jerk it. Bop.
That's my sister. I'll jerk it for real though?
Yes.
What? See? Look at the pepper stem right there. You see that?
I don't taste no pepper. Up to now, I taste no pepper.
Put the pepper stem on my side. You let me eat a 5 dumpling before you eat 1. Oh my god.
This is my second one, sir.
Wow. I told y'all guys from the beginning she wasn't gonna eat it. You didn't believe me, huh?
You have to
You have to tell me be quiet and let her eat. Yes, you see what happened? When you tell me be quiet, I know her. I knew she was gonna eat that.
You gotta mash up. That's how you know the dumpling. I mean the banana is soft. That's how you know the banana is soft.
Yo, y'all got cash. Y'all want the expensive cup. Hefty. Y'all balling. That's the original. Other than that, funny joke aside, how was your day?
I hope it was good.
I hope it was good though. Real talk, you know. Sometimes you just try to farm out, you know, and then when you get to the real deal. Hope everything is good. You know what I mean? With everybody.
Listen, Miss Gina. Listen.
Tell Miss Gina. Straight now, tell Miss Gina. For real.
No capping.
No capping, Miss Gina. Real talk.
I'm still missing about 5 doors for my kitchen. Okay?
Put it out there.
And for some reason, Tampa always have it in stock.
So this is what we're gonna do. Tell the first lady.
So when Tampa get it in stock, I'm gonna ship it to your house and reach it out, come pick it up. All right?
You heard that, Miss Gina? So soon as Tampa get those doors back in stock, we're gonna ship it to your house. We're gonna holler at you, make it come to your house, cause we're gonna come to your house.
Because
let us know.
I need my doors.
We need our doors. And then it's all complete. Yes. Cause you remember you said, these are IKEA in Tampa.
There's an IKEA in Tampa. Showing up. There's an IKEA in Tampa. I was like, really, Miss Gina?
We're coming up here, Miss Gina. Don't worry. Don't worry. Yep. We coming up there. There's IKEA in Georgia?
I'm not sure. I don't see why not.
You have it. We drive up there and get it.
And it's so funny. Before, because I totally forgot that Miss Gina live in Tampa. Right? And before she said it, I was this close. This close to driving to go get it.
We was.
Because we'll make a trip out of it.
We make a trip out of it for real.
Okay.
Real talk, that's what we do. You know what I'm saying? Make a trip out of it.
Yeah. So we have family in Tampa.
Yep.
And yeah. You know, when she said, oh, there's one in Tampa. I was like, oh.
Yeah.
I could have got it from Miss Gina.
Yeah. It's a lot of family members live close. Closer than we think. Right? First lady?
Yeah. We have some subscribers who live, in Fort Pierce.
Fort Pierce. You know what I'm saying? You think they see us?
I don't know.
If y'all see us, don't scare us now. Don't scare us now.
And don't be afraid to say hi.
Yeah, God, we won't.
We won't. We sure won't.
We sure won't. Trust me. Read them comments. I said, what the hell? These people live close.
Close, yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna call no names. We ain't gonna call no names. We ain't gonna put it out there. But a lot of y'all live closer than we think. Your food? You did good though.
I was hungry.
You did good. All right. Hold on.
And this stewed chicken back. Oh. I'm not gonna stop saying it. I think every video we do, I'm gonna keep on saying it because we haven't cooked much, family.
This is good. All right, I'm gonna eat that boy right off camera.
I know the family missed it.
All right, what I got for y'all lovely people here?
Banana sweet.
Banana sweet for you, man. You think I play, you know? The way it's sweet.
And that's sweet.
All right. Family. Real talk now, you know? What that thing? Damn.
You lose it?
Oh, that's right, I got that. Family, real talk now, you know? You know I gotta come through with the word, you know? If I could relate, y'all relate. First lady, listen up. Family, listen up. Listen, family, your relationship with yourself sets the tone for every other relationship you have. You like that one? You like that one? You can relate?
Yeah.
Did y'all hear it?
If you're not doing good, how can you?
Yeah. Did y'all hear? I'm gonna say it again because I didn't hear. Step away. I tell y'all when I'm doing the word of wisdom, do not step away because you don't know when I'm gonna do it because it could be long, it could be short. Yes. Trust me. I'm gonna tell you again. Your relationship with yourself set the tone for every other relationship you have.
Period.
We appreciate y'all. Thanks for rocking with us. You know, if you're new, welcome to the Greedy Couple where we talk about anything. We just talk, you know what I'm saying? And we like where you are to join in. So I'm Richie if you're new, and this is First Lady aka Shanice. For everybody else, like them and stop watching but not liking. Please, we appreciate y'all. Share if you care. They are First Lady.
You guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye.